Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your Instagram story to your phone gallery. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then select the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, scroll down until you see archiving and downloading, so just tap on there. And then at the bottom you should see save story to gallery. So this just means automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. So all you have to do is toggle that on and all your stories from Instagram will be saved to your device's gallery. Thanks for watching.